Hello and welcome to the video on Contagion. In this video, we'll explore the meaning of contagion in economic crisis, its impact on global markets, and some examples of historical events where contagion has had a profound effect. Contagion refers to the spread of financial shocks from one market or country to another, creating a domino effect of the economic instability. The term contagion has been used to describe the rapid transmission of financial crises across national borders. One of the earliest examples of contagion was the Great Depression in 1930, which began with a stock market crash in the United States and quickly spread to Europe and other parts of the world. The global economic downturn led to high level of unemployment, business failures, and social unrest. In the aftermath of the collapse of the Silicon Valley Bank, the other mid-sized regional banks, including Signature Bank, have also encountered problems, leading to regulators to close Signature Bank on Sunday. This development has caused people to wonder whether the bank can raise interest rates was an isolated issue or part of a more extensive systemic problem, and how severe the consequences of this collapse will be. San Francisco-based First Republic Bank and Charles Schwab have experienced heavy selling pressure in recent days. The SP Regional Banking ETF, which serves as benchmark for the banking sector, has fallen by more than 30% in the past month. In an attempt to ease concerns, President Biden assured Americans in press conference on Monday that their deposits are secure and the banking system is safe. Concerns about the bank's financial situation led to Switzerland's second largest bank share plummeting by nearly 30% at the start of yesterday. The US Treasury is reportedly collaborating with American and European regulators to investigate the exposure of US banks to credit suits. Another example of contagion was the global financial crisis of 2008, which was triggered by a collapse of the US housing market. The crisis quickly spread to other parts of the world and led to the failure of several large financial institutions and significant decline in the global economic activity. Contagion is a phenomenon that has had a profound effect on global markets throughout history. It is referred to the spread of financial shocks from one market or country to another, leading to economic instability and uncertainty. By understanding the causes and effects of contagion, we can better prepare for and mitigate its impact on the global economy.